It's an ominous sign for drivers on their daily commute. If the so-called crash truck is on the scene, something bad has happened. Members of this section don't usually show up for minor fender benders.
The Major Collisions Unit investigates all fatal collisions as well as serious injury and service vehicle collisions.
Every once in a while you get surprised just how violent these events can be, because it is gruesome. The nature of the collisions that we investigate are of a higher grade than in normal fender bender.
Crashes are so complex that, it's a needle in a haystack trying to figure out exactly what happened. It's important that you get it right, and if you don't, then there's lots of risk involved with that.
The section responds to hundreds of crashes and about 25 fatal collisions every year. Fatality investigations can take anywhere from 2 months to a year.
With a fatal, it's all hands on board. We bring out every tool that we have to assist with the investigation.
Members of the section rely on math and physics to analyze a crash scene. A good grasp of numbers and angles is mandatory. And they take full advantage of the technical tools at their disposal.
Over the years, technology has been just getting better, more efficient. The cameras sharper, lighter.
Technology has completely changed the entire investigations. Back in the day when there was wet film and you would go out with your camera and 30 rolls of film and try and get as many good pictures as possible.
To now, where digital photos are virtually unlimited. Members also use drones to survey the scene, matching visual evidence with laser technology.
Now we have a system where we have a 3D laser scanner which within seconds shoots out millions of points, and we can have a 3D map generated.
Everything is captured, nothing is missed, which allows us now to revisit that scene at any time in the future. It simulates real world on a computer in 3 dimensions. Then we combine those photographs through science called photogrammetry to create an accurate representation of the scene, the entire scene, which then is measurable with the accuracy of 0.5 centimeter.
But the section is not overly reliant on technology. After all, there is a human element to the job that cannot be overlooked.
What's most challenging yet rewarding, I think, is speaking with family members that have been affected by tragedy. It's very hard for people to talk with families that are grieving, but I think it's a fantastic opportunity for EPS to really shine as far as being a caring body that can help them through the process.